Hey guys, I'm Kira. Thanks so much for coming back to my channel. A few days ago, we did a first fermentation on my kombucha, and today it's time to bottle that kombucha, flavor it, and do a second fermentation. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. That really helps me out a lot. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so that I show up in your notifications. I upload every week, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. Today we're going to need kombucha that has gone through a first fermentation, airtight containers like swing top bottles, a glass mason jar, a clean coffee filter or washcloth, a funnel, and a rubber band. Start by removing your mother and baby SCOBY and 1 cup of the kombucha and putting it into a clean mason jar. You want to save a little bit of this kombucha so that you can make another batch in the future. Then cover with your clean coffee filter or washcloth and secure with a rubber band and let sit at room temperature until you're ready to make another batch. Now carefully bottle the remaining kombucha into airtight containers . Once all the kombucha has been poured into individual bottles, you can flavor each individual bottle with a different flavor. Today we're going to do 3 different varieties: orange juice, clove, and cinnamon, plain orange juice, and raspberry and lemon. You'll want to keep a ratio of 80% kombucha to 20% flavoring. Then be sure to get an airtight seal once you're closing the bottles. That'll ensure proper carbonation. Wait 2 to 3 days, and then you can put your kombucha in the fridge. I hope you enjoy!